Welcome to my back day. Today we are starting off with the lat pull down, showing you how this works, and also depending on how you grip up here, you're going to be targeting different parts of your back. So if you grip wider, you're going to be hitting the outside of your lats more, and that's what you're supposed to do. And then there's another way too that a lot of people miss out on, but it's important you know this, because I didn't know this for a long time. If you grip closer, so like basically shoulder width or a little closer, and pull down, that'll hit your lower lats a lot more. So I'm gonna do sets of both of those, and then also show you side angles so you can see what it looks like, and I'll show you also that how far I'm leaning back, because with these lat pull downs, you wanna be leaning back a little bit. So the bar will come basically down to your chin, or if you're doing the closer grip, you want it to be coming further down, more towards your rib cage. When you're preparing for this, and pretty much every other back movement, you don't want to have your shoulders high at all. And you might not even think that you have your shoulders high. But look at this. So right here, my shoulders are high. And if I just do this, yeah, it looks like you're hitting your back pretty well. If you pop your shoulders back and down, you're targeting it way, way more. So don't let your shoulders go up like this. Start off down with your shoulders, then go down. And keep them there. And now, for some sets, I will let my shoulder blades pop out. So shoulder blades popped out here, shoulder blades locked in. But overall, try to keep your shoulder blades in place. So shoulders down. So normal first. So on both of them, don't lean forwards. Do not lean forwards. You want to lean back and then pull out and down. Keep in mind, you're hitting your biceps a little bit, but this is gonna be your main back exercise. You can go really heavy on this, so do it right at the beginning of your workout, and that's how it'll be in the program. Another important thing for every single one of these sets, I'm gonna show you how I do a real set of these, just to prove the level of intensity that you should be trying to work out at. Because the more intense you work out, the more you're gonna put your body through, and the more your body is gonna have to adapt to that extreme exertion of energy. And it'll adapt to that by getting stronger, more muscles, losing weight, losing fat, all the good shit you want. And you will also see so much more reduced stress, anxiety, or trust me on this, it's a good thing to push very, very hard in the gym. This is one of my avenues of getting rid of my anger, which has been a slight problem for me. But anyways, right now I have 160, and I'd say this is a heavy lat pull down, but anyways. So shoulders locked down. No, shoulders down. One more. Little back flex. Intensity, good. Lat pull down, complete. Good job.